Using monoclonal antibodies in cancer drugs by KayScience.com. What I'm drawing here is someone's liver. They've sadly got liver cancer, which means they've got a tumour growing in the liver. So what I'm drawing here are the normal liver cells of the body. And on the normal liver cells of the body, you've got antigens. Antigens are not just found on pathogens. Antigens are specific to each cell. So these here are the liver cell antigens found on the cells of liver cells. What I'm drawing here are the cancer cells growing on the liver. So these are the cancer cells growing on the liver. And these are the antigens that are on the cancer cells. As you can see, the cancer cell antigens are different to the liver cell antigens because each cell has its own specific type of antigen on the cell. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. So this here is a cancer drug. When someone undergoes chemotherapy, they're having chemicals, so drugs, put into their blood which target the cancer cells. And you can use monoclonal antibodies to take the cancer drug directly to the cancer cell. So what they do is they get monoclonal antibodies specific to the cancer cell antigens. So this here is a monoclonal antibody specific to the antigens on the cancer cell, and they attach the cancer drug onto the monoclonal antibody. So the monoclonal antibody with the cancer drug attached to it is then going to bind the antigens on the cancer cells, delivering the cancer drug directly to the cancer cells themselves. And then the cancer drug will then kill the cancer cell. So what you see here are the monoclonal antibodies with the cancer drug attached, binding the antigens on the cancer cells. So these are the monoclonal antibodies with the cancer drugs attached, binding the cancer cells and delivering the drugs straight to the cancer cells, not affecting the body's liver cells. So the cancer cells are more likely to die because the drugs are being delivered directly to the cancer cells, and they're not going to affect the liver cells. So the liver cells stay alive. So monoclonal antibodies target cancer cell antigens and bind onto them. The drug then enters the cancer cell and it will kill the cancer cell without affecting the liver cells. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Press pause to practice using those key words. The answers will follow. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. And if you're stuck, just re-watch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes.